Marco works at Coronado's Furniture. He is paid on commission. He receives 10% of his first $900 in sales and 15% of the balance of his sales. Last week, he earned $750. What was the total value of the furniture that he sold? The first question we must ask ourselves to answer this question is, well, how much did he receive for his first $900 in sales? Well, we know that he gets 10% of that $900. So 900 times 0.10, or $90. The next question we ask ourselves is, what is the balance of his sales? Well, in this case, they do not tell us how much he sold. That's what we're trying to figure out. So let's let the total sales be equal to the variable x. The balance of his sales would then be the difference between x and the $900. Now we want to answer the next question, which is, how much does he receive for the balance of his sales? Well, according to the problem, he will receive 15% for this balance of sales, or x minus 900 times 0.15, or 15%. Now we know that he will receive both the $90 and this x minus 900 times 0.5 as his commission. So how much commission did Mark earn last week? Well, we would have to take the total of the $90 for the first 900 in sales and our expression here, x minus 900 times 0.15. Now, according to the problem, we know how much he earned in commission. We know that that was $750. So we now have an equation. All right, so the question we're ultimately trying to answer is, what was the total value of the furniture sold? So we're going to use the equation we created. 90 plus x minus 900 times 0.15 equals 750. Now, the first thing we need to do to simplify this equation is to distribute or multiply the 0.15 to both the 900 and to the x, giving us 90 plus 0.15x minus 135, which is the product of 900 and 0.15. This is equal to 750. The next thing we must do is combine our like terms. Now, if you remember from before, like terms are those that have the same variable with the same power. In this case, our like terms are going to be our constant terms, or the ones without the variables. So the 90 and the negative 135. So we're going to combine the 90 and the minus or negative 135, giving us a negative or minus 45. So we now have 0.15x minus 45 is equal to 750. Now our goal is to solve for x. So we're going to get rid of the minus 45 by adding 45 to both sides of this equation. The negative 45 and plus 45 will eliminate, leaving us with 0.15x is equal to 795. Now, because we want to solve for x, we need to remove this times 0.15. The opposite of multiplying by 0.15 will be to divide. So we're going to divide both sides of this equation by a 0.15. The ones on the left will cancel each other, leaving us with just x. On the right-hand side, we have 795 divided by 0.15, which gives us x is equal to $5,300. Marco sold $5,300 in furniture last week.